Are you ready to step into a world where your money doesn't just rest, but roars to life with potential? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the thrilling universe of high-yield bonds, where adventure meets financial opportunity. If you've ever dreamed of turning your investments into high-flying assets, then you're in for an exhilarating ride. Picture this: bonds that don't just promise stability, but offer a chance to earn impressive returns, sometimes even outperforming their more prestigious counterparts. High-yield bonds, often referred to as junk bonds, have the power to captivate the most daring of investors, and yes, beginners too. Whether you're new to the world of investing or a seasoned pro looking for a fresh challenge, this is your chance to explore an asset class that has the potential to transform your financial landscape. So fasten your seatbelt and get ready for an epic investment journey with high-yield bonds. Your financial adventure awaits. The high-flying world of high-yield bonds. Unleash the power of junk. Welcome to the thrilling world of high-yield bonds, where financial magic defies convention. These bonds, often sporting the daring moniker of junk, are far from ordinary. In fact, they are the daredevils of the bond market, promising both risks and rewards that will leave you at the edge of your seat. Risk meets reward. At the heart of high-yield bonds is an exhilarating risk-return trade-off. They are called high yield for a reason. Their potential to generate impressive returns is what makes them stand out. But like any great adventure, there's an element of risk that adds excitement to the journey. Not your average bonds. High-yield bonds don't play by the rules of traditional bonds. They belong to a class of their own, and they're known for their unique characteristics. They are issued by companies with a bit more sparkle than the average corporate issuer, often seeking capital for growth or refinancing. Thriving in turbulence. These bonds thrive in uncertain times, offering a beacon of hope to investors. They can be a source of income, capital appreciation, and portfolio diversification, all while making your investment journey anything but ordinary. High-yield bond landscape, a world of financial alchemy. Let's take a deep dive into the high-yield bond landscape, a realm where finance and opportunity meld into a mesmerizing tapestry of possibilities. The key features and secrets of high-yield bonds, providing you with the knowledge to navigate this intriguing domain. The elements of high-yield bonds. High-yield bonds come in many flavors, each with its own unique features. We'll decode the elements from credit ratings to coupon rates and maturities that shape the high-yield bond universe. Comparing bonds. High-yield bonds don't stand alone in the financial cosmos. We'll embark on a thrilling comparative journey, exploring how high-yield bonds differ from other bond types, such as government bonds and investment-grade corporate bonds. Success stories. Prepare to be inspired by stories of investors who ventured into high-yield bonds and found their financial aspirations taking flight. These tales of success are a testament to the allure and potential of this intriguing asset class. The high-yield bond landscape is a treasure trove of opportunities, where risk meets reward and financial alchemy turns ordinary investments into extraordinary ones. The advantages of investing in high-yield bonds. Unleash the power of income and diversification. Investing in high-yield bonds isn't just a financial decision. It's an exhilarating gateway to unique advantages that can turbocharge your investment portfolio. We'll unveil the thrilling advantages that await those who dare to embrace high-yield bonds. Yields that soar. As the name suggests, high-yield bonds offer returns that can reach impressive heights. Diversification dynamo. Diversifying your investment portfolio is a key strategy for success. High-yield bonds provide a dynamic tool to diversify across asset classes and reduce risk, ensuring your portfolio is as resilient as it is rewarding. Income stream galore. High-yield bonds can be a consistent source of income, making them a favorite among income-seeking investors. Explore how they can offer a steady stream of payments that add excitement to your financial journey. Balancing act. Achieving balance in your portfolio is essential. High-yield bonds provide a unique way to balance risk and reward, offering the potential for attractive returns without sacrificing safety. Success stories that inspire. Be inspired by tales of investors who ventured into high-yield bonds and achieved their financial goals. These success stories are a testament to the power of this asset class in delivering results that defy convention. Investing in high-yield bonds isn't just about returns. It's about a journey filled with potential, income, and the thrill of achieving financial aspirations. Getting started as a high-yield bond investor, your passport to thriving investments. Now that the allure of high-yield bonds has captured your imagination, It's time to embark on a thrilling journey as an investor in this captivating asset class. We'll provide you with the essential tools and knowledge to set you on the path to becoming a high-yield bond investor extraordinaire. Navigate the landscape. The world of high-yield bonds may seem vast and complex, but fear not. We'll be your compass, guiding you through the intricacies of this dynamic landscape, ensuring you make informed decisions. Research like a pro. Knowledge is your greatest asset in the world of investing. We'll unveil the secrets of effective research, empowering you to make confident choices when selecting high-yield bond investments. Choose your platform. Selecting the right platform or brokerage is your gateway to the high-yield bond market. We'll demystify this crucial step, helping you choose the platform that aligns with your goals and preferences. Risk and reward analysis. Understanding the risk-return profile of high-yield bonds is paramount. We'll provide insights into assessing risk and reward, enabling you to build a portfolio that matches your risk tolerance. Stay informed. Keeping abreast of market trends and developments is essential. We'll reveal strategies for staying informed and monitoring your high-yield bond investments effectively. Becoming a high-yield bond investor is akin to embarking on a thrilling expedition, where every piece of knowledge and each investment decision brings you closer to financial success. Risks and challenges. Navigating the investment rapids. As you venture further into the world of high-yield bond investments, it's essential to acknowledge the exciting but occasionally turbulent waters that may lie ahead. We'll unveil the potential risks and challenges that come with the territory and equip you with strategies to navigate them successfully. Market rapids. The high-yield bond market can be like whitewater rapids, exhilarating but unpredictable. We'll guide you through market fluctuations and show you how to stay afloat during turbulent times. Default dangers. Default risk is the hidden reef of high-yield bonds. We'll explore how to identify potential dangers and ways to mitigate the risk of issuers failing to meet their obligations. Interest rate currents. Interest rate changes can be like strong currents, affecting bond prices. We'll teach you how to navigate these currents and position your investments for success. Credit analysis skills. Becoming a successful high-yield bond investor means developing a keen eye for credit analysis. We'll delve into this essential skill, helping you assess the creditworthiness of bond issuers. Success stories amidst challenges. While challenges abound, so do success stories. We'll share tales of investors who faced and overcame obstacles, inspiring you to approach challenges with confidence. Every investment journey has its thrills and challenges, much like a river adventure. But just as skilled rafters navigate rapids with precision, you can navigate the investment world's challenges with skill and determination. The future of high-yield bonds, where opportunity meets innovation. Prepare to embark on a journey into the future, where high-yield bonds evolve and adapt in exciting ways. We'll peer into the crystal ball of finance to uncover the thrilling possibilities and innovations that lie ahead in the realm of high-yield bonds. Innovative horizons. The world of high-yield bonds is constantly evolving, and innovation is the driving force. We'll explore the cutting-edge advancements that promise to reshape the high-yield bond landscape, offering investors fresh and thrilling opportunities. Income and growth. High-yield bonds continue to be a source of both income and growth. We'll delve into how these bonds adapt to changing economic conditions and investor preferences, ensuring they remain a dynamic and attractive investment choice. Global reach. High-yield bonds are not limited by borders, they span the globe. We'll discuss the global reach of these bonds and how international dynamics can influence their performance and potential. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) considerations. As the world becomes increasingly focused on sustainability, we'll explore how ESG factors are shaping the future of high-yield bonds, providing investors with exciting opportunities to align their investments with their values. Your role in shaping tomorrow. As an investor in high-yield bonds, you're not just a passenger on this thrilling journey, you're a driver of change. We'll inspire you to seize the opportunities that lie ahead and play an active role in shaping the future of high-yield bond investments. The future of high-yield bonds is a dynamic landscape where opportunity meets innovation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our future content. Also, click the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you.